Hey YouTube, this is Jerry. A few days ago I got this idea about making my own pellets. So I looked around on YouTube and thereabouts and other places, and I came up with this idea after a little bit of research. And that is, you get a cheap pair of pliers, which these were old ones that I had. I think they came from Harbor Freight. Good for what I'm using them for. And then you go to Home Depot or wherever and you buy a 5.5 millimeter drill bit. You drill a hole in the pliers, as you can see I did right here. Right here, there's a hole in it. And pour lead in it, break it apart, pull your pellet out. It doesn't come with a skirt because there's not really a way to punch a skirt in it. And I tried with that idea as well, and the skirt idea is not really going to work. However, and I haven't got any pellets to show you right now, you come up with these really heavy skirtless pellets, and I shot a couple of them ballistically. 30 yards are pretty good. I haven't really got it down past 30 yards. I haven't really shot them farther than that, but they're heavy and they're pretty cool, so I'm going to do a little playing with them. See if I can make them a little better. Maybe drill a hollow point in the front. I don't know. You can't, these aren't mass produced. Obviously, I can make one at a time. But you can make them out of anything that you can melt. You can make them out of aluminum, out of lead. I suppose you can make them out of copper. I mean, copper's harder to melt, but you could probably do it. I just did it to do with lead and maybe try some aluminum in it and see what happens. Anyway, so you could make your own pellets without too much hassle. You can see it turned out okay. I mean, you can, these happen to be, these are Crossman 14.3s, and you can see that the pellet fits perfect into the mold that I made. Even if you open it up, you can see that the pellet, get it to focus, there you go, you can see the pellet fits perfect in that mold. So it should work out really good. I mean, a little more practice, a little more playing with it. I think that I can make bigger by drilling the hole deeper pellets, or whatever I want, smaller by making them not as deep. Think about these pellets they have no skirt, so maybe the ballistics will be better on them. I'm not sure how that's going to work yet, but I'll let you know how it works out. They sure shoot good out of my puncher breaker. Just I haven't shot them over 30 yards. The 30 yards are pretty accurate. So we'll see what happens. They fit tight in the barrel. That's another nice thing. So, okay. Bye now. Hope you enjoy this.